So this is the bone of the foot. It consists of three sets of bone. We have the tarsal bone, metatarsal, and phalanges. So the tarsal bone consists of three bones. Okay. First we have the talus. This talus, which articulate with the tibia and fibula. And below that you have the calcaneal bone, which form the heel. And then here you have the navicula. Okay. So this navicula. It looks like a ship. If you see from here, it looks like a ship, a boat, or a ship or a boat. And then on the lateral side you have the cuboid. And then you have this the cuneiform, three cuneiform. You have the medial cuneiform, intermediate, and lateral cuneiform. Medial, intermediate, and lateral cuneiform. So, and then below that you have the metatarsal. 5 metatarsal is number 1, it's number 2, 3, 1, 5 metatarsal. And distal to that we have the phalanges. So these are the phalanges. Each phalanx consists of 3 bones. I have the proximal phalanx, medial phalanx, and distal phalanx. Proximal, medial, and distal, except the big toes. Big toes only consists of proximal and distal.